This is Nicole, Health, Beauty, and More, and I'm making this video to inform you that the FDA has now approved a bill in Congress that allows them to implement a horrible, primitive type of treatment to people with mental disorders that are severe enough that they would implement such treatment. And it's using ECT, or electroconvulsive therapy, which is essentially electroshock therapy. And it's been around for ages, and there's not a lot of proof. There really isn't any significant studies that actually show that it's of much benefit. I know that it damages your brain. I've seen it happen to people that were friends of mine, and they've lost their whole lives, actually, because it erased memories of everything in their past. And if they had to do it over again, they would not do so. But a lot of times people don't have a choice here, especially the guinea pigs. They're going to test them on. They don't have a choice. They're just going to be done, and it's going to happen. And we don't know who they're going to pick. But if anyone has a mental disorder that's severe, and they're not responding well to the treatment, the pharmaceutical treatments, then they're probably on that list of candidates for this dramatic thing. It's just an awful thing for people with bipolar or clinical depression. Mental health organizations are, in this, and it looks like the FDA has been in collusion with the American Psychiatric Association to promote this treatment. It's been going on for a while, the discussions on this, and I believe now that they're going ahead with this treatment as stated. And if you are an opposer, if you don't like it, which most people don't, then you're considered an opposing person who needs to be treated with ECT. That means that you cannot have a say in this. Your free speech is gone. You can't say, I don't like this. I'm just letting you know that they're actually sending 460 volts of electricity right to the brain, damaging the brain, and nobody's allowed to complain about it. And the side effects are horrendous, like memory loss and other heart complications as well. So, I just find this appalling that this bill has been introduced in Congress anyway. What's it doing there? The 21st Century Cures Act is the bill, and it weakens the already weak standards for approval process of prescription drugs and medical devices, and it benefits the pharmaceutical industry, but it also places Americans at high risk, and they're in harm's way. It can actually worsen their depressive disorder, because then they don't have a life anymore and they're walking around like zombies. I've seen it. I used to work in a hospital like that. I've seen what it does after those treatments. I can list like 4 different regulation.gov and some other ones that have researched this, as if you need more information. But I wanted it to go on record that this is actually true. I got there through a medical place called Natural News by Mike Adams, and he's a proponent of healthy ways of living, not using primitive ways like this ECT to combat mental illness. So there you go. You have the information.